Okay, so in today's class we are going to discuss about uh, the ball is jumping from a height. Okay, jumping from a height and it is jumping like this. Jumping. First of all, the spacing will be high. Will be increased. Then the spacing will be decreased, and it will be on settle pose. Okay, so this is the rig. So I will be selecting the main controller, and so you can see the main control. This is the main control for the rig. Okay, so if we want we can add the squash and stretch also. Okay, if we want we can add the squash and stretch also. Okay, so we'll start. So from the height he is jumping, so we want to show some weight for that. So I will be making 0 auto key enable, and the ball is jumping from the height, so I am putting little bit over here. Okay, so it is coming like this. Okay, so if you want you can add more spacing, so the spacing will be little bit over here. Okay, okay, now it's coming like this. When he is jumping, the ball is jumping like this, so I will be just dragging it, right? So we can see the spacing like this. I am putting this area on the fifth frame, and it is been dragged. Okay, so this is called actually the spacing, right? Spacing. So if you want you can adjust this spacing like this only. So I am adjusting only spacing, not the what the height proportion is not at all adjusting. So first of all he's over here, and the spacing will be more, and I will be dragging on this frame, and this spacing should be decreased. So this is more spacing, so I have been decreasing only up to this area. Now I will be cross checking the spacing down this much area to this area. Okay, then it will be moving to, and the to this area it will be little bit here. Okay, now the spacing is not, compared to this one it is little bit lower, then it is lower, and I will be adding this frame also only 1 2, only this area down. Okay, then it is coming 1 2. Okay, now it's been settling. Okay, so this is the spacing. So we can adjust the spacing like this. Look, okay, even though there is some problem, something is dragging, some problem is there, so we will be fixing it in graph editor. Go to graph, then curve editor. So I will be checking what is the problem. So I'm clicking here and selecting the whole keyframes. This is a straight line, there is no motion, so click here. So yeah, this is the problem we are finding. So this is the curve we are going to delete, so click this and delete it. Okay, now you can find. Okay, now also there is some problems. I want a straight curve, so I am going to delete this one, as well as this one, as well as this one, as well as this one. So this is a curve, so I will be checking this curve. Now it's working, understand? Now the whole thing is working according to our need. Okay, so there is a little bit spacing, there is more spacing, there is more spacing, there is more spacing. So down this area, then there is some problems over here also, so I will be checking. That is not that issue. So down, then I will be deleting this one. Okay, deleting this one, down, this one down, then up should be more spacing, then up over here, and this area also I will be adding little bit, 1. Okay, that is enough, fine. Okay, now we will make a play blast. Okay, create preview animation, make a play blast. Okay, now we'll be seeing what is happening. Okay, that's a straight line. Wait, I will be making the play blast little bit bigger, so click here and I will making 250. Okay, so this is going a straight line and going on the x-axis. Okay, straight line. So the timing is not at all set. eh? Only that is the only spacing. I am concentrating only in spacing. So what I have to do is that I will be concentrating in timing. Okay, timing means I will be cross checking the jump animation also. So I will be making it little bit jump, so it will be on more height, right? So you'll be clicking here and it is more height. Okay, so what I am seeing is that this is the spacing is right, this is spacing. So I'll be moving on the timing, so you'll be hitting hard and it moving up. So I want more area to be, it will be yes like this, and I will be clicking this one to this area, so we can see the jump right here. Okay, the spacing is working, right? The spacing is working. So if we down up area, I will be moving a little bit over here. So down up then down. Okay, then this much area I don't need, so I will be clicking this key and dragging it over here. Okay, now down then up. Okay, this is more up, right, on this area right here. Okay, on this grid, so I will be making little bit down. Okay, now you can see the okay the jump over here. So now I will be this is more height. Okay, so while he's jumping, I will be making more over here. Then he's coming down also I will be making little bit, and the up area it should be little bit dragged. Okay, understand, right? So on last area he's been coming here, and this height, right, this height we don't want this much height on this grid. Okay, I will be making on that down grid, or else on here only. Okay, so down here. Okay, I'm playing this. Okay, then on the last settling pose, so I'll be moving here, and okay, I will make him more here, because the spacing is coming what closer. Okay, while it's coming here, this area, the spacing is coming very closer. Okay, like this. So I will delete this one. Okay, I will be deleting this one. Okay, then this is coming decreased, and okay, now I will be cross checking the spacing. Okay, so I will be moving this one. Look at the axis over here. You can see the axis, right? This is on x-axis, right? Only x-axis. So I will be going to the graph editor and check the x-axis. So translation x, nothing is there. Y, we'll cross check the y. The y is this one. Okay, so this is coming right. Look, it's coming up, then down, then down. So, and we'll be cross checking to the y axis. Okay, y axis, the two keyframes that came, I will be deleting 1 and 2. Okay, make him smoother, and I will be cross checking this. So why it is coming up, I will be giving more keyframes for that. Okay, well, it's coming down, it should be fast, more faster. Down up, then is coming fast down. Okay, so what I have to do is that then I will be cross checking the yes, down is coming up. This area also I should animate the spacing. That is a problem. This area also, look, this area spacing should be proper like this. We will be checking the yes, like this. Yeah, like this. So I have to adjust this area also, the spacing for this area also. Okay, I should be removing this, and there is somewhat problem. I will be removing with the graph editor. So I will be selecting the graph and delete it, selecting the graph and remove it. Okay, down. Okay, now I will be moving this to, now the keyframe should be on like this, little bit more, and in between I will be making a little bit jump like this. Okay, then little bit here and making a simple jump. Okay, now I will be finishing this one. Okay, so I'll be selecting this and moving little bit here. Okay, now I'll be the graph editor only, selecting the graph and remove this. Okay, now we'll be checking a play blast. So create preview, make a preview animation. Okay, now look at the spacing. We will be checking only on the spacing. Okay, just once more I will be making a play blast. So this area I am losing something, so I will be clicking here and yeah, this area he is not at all moving. I will be moving little bit. Yeah, this area on the graph, this is the wrong, so I will be deleting this. Okay, now it's okay. The spacing is somewhat looking fine. Compared to this spacing, it is okay. Okay, now I will be on major part. So going to the graph, I am be selecting this area and I want break tangent. Okay, now I will be making the weight for the graph. Okay, this area also tangent, break tangent, selecting this, break it, selecting this, break it, and this area also break tangent, selecting this, break it, break tangent, selecting this, break tangent, break tangent. So we are finding some problems over here. Look, why? Because we want to make him like this. Okay, then this should be more like this, this should be more like this, and finish. Understand? So we can adjust the graph like this only. Okay, so I want to zoom. Okay, so now we are finding something, right? Clicking once more and I am going to adjust this spacing. This is a spacing, right? This is a spacing. This is what we call spacing. So I will adjust, click here and adjust the spacing. You can easily adjust the spacing. So up, then is coming a little bit up, then down, then is coming on the this part. And if you want, you can add this and make him down. According to our need, we can adjust. Okay, this is easily working. So click here and make him more. So we want more. What the bouncing should be that kind of force. I want this should be like this, and I am clicking here and adding break tangent and like this, and this area should be more here. So the spacing should be decreased. Okay, select this and break tangent and breaking him, break. This area is already tangent. Okay, I will be, if you want, you can add like this also. Okay, now we will be crossing the play blast. What will be happen to the animation? Okay, select this. Okay, create preview animation. So now we'll be checking. Okay, so the spacing is all fixed, but our timing is not good. That is a problem. Okay, the bounce and all is not at all convinced. Okay, so I will be checking the whole timing. Down, then up, then should be down, then up should be not this much, so down should be more. Okay, so down, up, then down should be more. Down should be more, so this much, then should be up. So I'll be making right here, then it's coming down should be more here. Then I will be selecting the whole thing, keyframes, and moving right here. Okay, now we'll make a play blast. So it is not set, but we'll be checking it. Okay, now we can see something over here. Okay, now it's hitting hard, and what this area is really working nice. Okay, down, then up should be I will give more time for the up. That's a problem. While he's hitting hard, down is hitting hard from 12, 11 to 14. Down, up, then should be down. Down should be little bit here only. Okay, then he's coming, this area also is coming up, right? Up, then he's coming down. This I don't want this key, so I'll be deleting this one. So it should be up, should be up, and down should be on more area. So I'll be selecting this keyframe, and like this I'm down. Okay, so from this area I'll be making a play blast. Okay, so I'll be checking from this area I'm not checking, so I'll be making a play blast, create preview animation, and I'm making a play blast. Okay, understand? Yeah, now it's working, right? So I have some problems on this part. This part I am missing something. This part. So I am not touching that part. So we are not touched it. So it's coming down, down. Okay, up area it should be more, little bit more. Okay, up, then it should be little bit up, down, right? Down. We have some unnecessary keys. I will be deleting these keys. Delete, delete. Okay, otherwise I will be clicking here and move this to this area. So if I delete something, some problems will happen. That's why I am not deleting that keyframe. Okay, up, down, then up, then should be down, up, down, down. Okay, I will be moving this, or else we will delete it. Oh, whatever may be happen, we will be cross-checking with the graph editor. No problem. Down, up, up. This there are two keys, right? So I will be deleting this, and I will be deleting this also. So it will be up, down, up, 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 then down. Okay, so